Alright, we put up 2 glass full view doors. New manufacturer that's been having us do their installs. See all the hinges, non-rollers, big 2 5/8 springs. Both have Genie 6170s on them. Go up with it. Wireless wall buttons. Get it from the outside. They had on here, the front door is a 10x7, the back door is an 8x7, and they just had basic non-insulated overhead doors. You can see these are frameless full views, Chinese manufacturers. See no frame. I'll go around to the back door. Front door had an old chain glide on it, new door has both 6170s. You can see the back. We still have to come back and put perimeter seal. I still have to adjust that track for that corner.